I take on the challenge of getting fit at home using only easy exercises and simple diet tips. Let's see how much progress I can make in just a month. Today, I want to share with you some easy exercises and diet tips that you can do from the comfort of your own home, regardless of your fitness level. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to mix up your routine, these tips are perfect for anyone who wants to get fit without having to go to the gym. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to stay fit at home is lack of motivation. It's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing results right away, or when you're feeling overwhelmed by all the conflicting information out there. Another challenge is lack of space. Not everyone has a dedicated home gym or even a lot of room to move around. And let's be real, some of us just don't have access to fancy equipment or personal trainers. But despite these challenges, it's totally possible to get fit at home with minimal investment. You don't need a lot of space or equipment to get started, just a willingness to make some changes to your daily routine. And that's exactly what I want to help you with today. So, let's talk about some of the simple exercises you can do at home to get started. One of my favorites is bodyweight squats. All you need is a chair or wall to support yourself and you're good to go. Another great one is push-ups. You can do these on your knees or toes, depending on your fitness level. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can try some burpees. Just remember to start slow and work your way up. In addition to these exercises, it's also important to think about your diet. One of the simplest changes you can make is to start drinking more water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can also try incorporating more protein into your meals, like lean meats or plant-based options. And don't forget to eat plenty of fruits and veggies. They're packed with nutrients and will help you feel full and satisfied. I've seen so many people achieve amazing results using these simple exercises and diet tips. Like Sarah, who lost 10 pounds in just a few weeks by incorporating bodyweight exercises into her daily routine. Or John, who was able to increase his energy levels just by making a few simple changes to his diet. These are real people who have seen real results, and I know you can too. So, let's recap some of the key exercises and diet tips we've covered today. Remember, it's all about making small changes to your daily routine that you can stick to in the long term. Whether it's doing a few squats during commercial breaks or drinking an extra glass of water with each meal, every little bit counts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite home exercise or diet tip? And if you're looking for more fitness inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks to help you reach your goals.